Hi, everyone. My name is Michael Lynch with Praxie. I want to talk to you for a second about our digital transformation platform for manufacturing. I worked in manufacturing for a long time in different software companies, and basically everywhere I went, I would see this picture. Even if we had strong ERP or MES systems, there was just gobs and gobs of Excel and paper everywhere. What Praxie does is we take all of that and we turn it into beautifully laid out digital transformation software, all cloud-based software that you can roll up all your information around any of the processes that you're running in your manufacturing organization. We help you get from this picture of spaghetti on the left to a beautifully laid out stack of transitional software that can connect to all your best practice and leading applications, as well as other databases or machine data. We also have built-in artificial intelligence, so you can pragmatically use that in all your process. We basically have dozens and dozens of best practices for manufacturing, everything from core KPI libraries. It can roll up all your data to your key KPIs, your SQDC digital huddle boards, other information like your end of shift data can be rolled up, your OEE and other production information, any sort of audit that you're trying to do, standardized 5S or safety audits, or any other type of that kind of audit that you need. We also can run any sort of best practice process around like incident management or work order management, or really anything that you need across your organization, and everything can be rolled up into beautifully laid out digital transformation dashboards. Give us a call. Let us help you today. We're at www.praxie.com.